In this video, I'm going to go over the menu bar edit, and this is a pretty short one. So let's go here. I've got some shapes drawn out. Now the last thing that I did was added a color to this circle. So my first option is to undo that fill color. And this is an undo, this is redo. Edit, I can redo the fill color. Alright, and then cut, copy, and paste. I can left click to select this, right click to cut, and I can left click and right click to paste. I just wanted to make sure that my mat was selected before I pasted. That's why I left click and then right click. Okay. And then we have cut, copy, paste, paste in place. So if I copy this and I right click and choose to paste in place, it's directly on top. Okay. And then if I, oops, wrong one. If I edit, paste autofill, so let me go ahead and move these out of the way. Actually, I think I want the square. Zoom out here. So edit, paste autofill. So if I copy this, left click, copy, right click, nope, I guess I have to go here, edit, paste autofill. It's going to fill the mat with as many of my original shapes as it can. Okay. And then let me go ahead and undo that so I have some mat space left. And then we have select all, obviously. The shortcut for that is Control A on a Windows. And then we have deselect all, which is Control Shift A. And all of your shortcuts are here. And then we have preferences, which I went over for the most part. You can read through these if you want. You might want something checked or unchecked that I don't have. And also the edit. I went over everything except for the arrow key increments. So if I let me select this, go back to edit, preferences, edit. If I change this to, let's say, 200, and that's 0.200, and I click OK, then when I select this and I want to move it with my arrow keys, that's how far it goes. It was set at edit, preferences, edit at 100. So if I use my arrow keys, it just doesn't go quite as far. So you can adjust that if you'd like. Well, you can adjust any of it if you'd like. But that's the only thing I didn't go over out of these three already. And then you can read through these, see if you want to change any of those. You can always restore defaults. And I will cancel that. So that's it for the edit menu. Pretty short. So thanks for watching.